This is very big plus living in Bulgaria because you are very close to Greece, and if you would like to escape winter like I did, this is what you can get just 100 kilometers apart from the place where I live. That's it. And the weather is totally different. While in Bulgaria there is like a big snowfall at the moment, here I can enjoy almost the summer. I have to tell you, like, I really love being here, but it's not about the fact that I have any doubts about Bulgaria. It's not like this. I think it's just the weather that, turns you in this super positive way, even knowing that I'm going back to Bulgaria like shortly, and there is like -6 and gray and apparently no that much sun as here, and here is just like so green, like everywhere. If you just take a look on it, it's like so green. It's just like I don't know, and I think that's the colors, um, about the Greece, that if you come here like in December or January or February, everything's still green, and then it became more colorful, and then when the heat comes, everything is just like burn out, and it's changed its color to this kind of like yellow or something like this, but it's still cool because there are so many flowers. So I think that's the point. It's everything about the your mind and the colors in it. And now you you may ask me why I escaped to Greece from Bulgaria. Well, there is a couple of reasons. First of all is because it's easier to survive this period, winter period. It's cheaper. You have very good weather. It's even not like a winter here, while in Bulgaria it's like -6 or more. Here is just like +13. And yeah, it's cheaper to survive. Trust me or not, it is cheaper. Uh, Comparing the price to quality, if you know what I mean. Yeah, and so you get this an extra shot of dopamine. and yeah, and the sky is always blue, so much sun, while in Bulgaria everything is gray, and it is very good place to stay over the winter. Yeah, from many different reasons as well. So I like getting lost between uh, Greek little streets and being between people, the language I don't understand. Such a weird feeling.